In just 15 years, electric vehicle battery prices have undergone a remarkable transformation. From a staggering $100 per kilowatt hour in 2010 to around $130 per kilowatt hour in 2025, battery costs have plummeted by nearly 89%. The driving forces. Three key factors have powered this dramatic price reduction. Manufacturing scale. As demand grew, production volumes increased, significantly driving down costs. Technological innovation. Breakthrough research in battery chemistry and materials has revolutionized battery design. Global competition. Companies worldwide are racing to develop more efficient, affordable battery technologies. Impact on the electric vehicle market. The price drop has been a game changer for electric vehicles. EVs are becoming more affordable for average consumers. Total ownership costs are approaching and sometimes beating traditional gas-powered vehicles. More diverse EV models are entering the market at competitive prices. Looking to the future. Emerging technologies like solid-state batteries promise even more exciting developments. Faster charging times, higher energy density, improved safety, potential for even lower costs. Recycling and second-life battery applications are creating new opportunities that turning what was once waste into valuable resources. The bigger picture. This isn't just about cheaper batteries. It's a pivotal moment in sustainable transportation. Electric vehicles are moving from a niche technology to a mainstream solution, offering hope for a cleaner, more efficient future of mobility. The battery cost revolution is proving that sustainable technology can be both innovative and economically viable.